If you drive a Ford F-150, you've probably heard about the catalytic converter, usually right around the time it gets stolen off your truck. Not a great way to start your Monday, especially when the repair bill can easily touch $2,000. What does this thing even do? In short, the catalytic converter is very much the unsung hero that takes all those gnarly exhaust fumes, then magically transforms them into less harmful gases. It's not saving the world, but it's trying. It's kind of the janitor of your truck's emissions. Getting a check engine light? Usually it's something boring like a loose gas cap, but wait for it. If you ignore it for too long, your Ford is going to let you know in no uncertain terms that your catalytic converter is struggling. Hesitation, sluggishness, and the ever-classic rotten egg smell. How does it work? It's basically a metal can stuffed with rare metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. It gets hot, like really hot, sometimes up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can zap those hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide into something a little less evil. Here's the step-by-step pain. A thief can crawl underneath your F-150 and cut the whole thing out in less than 2 minutes. No joke. I've watched security footage where someone grabs one in 70 seconds. That's about $900 in precious metals, gone before you finish your coffee. So you want to check yours? First, crawl under the truck and spot the metal canister right in the exhaust line, usually between the engine and the muffler. If it looks cut or the exhaust sounds like a dragster, congratulations, you've been initiated into the We Hate Catalytic Converter Thieves Club. Replacing one isn't fun. You're looking at a couple $100s for an aftermarket part, but if you go OEM Ford, expect it to climb near $2,000 with labor. Pro tip: always check local emissions laws. Some states, looking at you California, only accept specific replacements. But what about cleaning it? All those miracle fuel additives promise to unclog your converter, but I'll be honest, rarely does any bottle live up to the hype. Once it's clogged with carbon or melted inside, you're better off prepping your wallet for surgery. A weird hack some truck owners try. Italian tune-up. Translation: take your F-150 out for a long, hard drive at higher RPMs. Sometimes, just sometimes, that extra heat burns off deposits and buys you a few more months before that check engine light comes back. Want to avoid theft? Weld on a catalytic converter shield. They're less than $300 and act like airport security for your exhaust system. Yes, the thief could theoretically cut through it, but it turns a 2-minute job into a noisy 20-minute affair. Most thieves won't bother. Here's a number that'll jolt you. Catalytic converter thefts increased by 325% nationwide in just the past few years. The F-150 is especially tasty because it's high off the ground. No need for jacks, just slide under and snip. A real pain, not just for you, but for everyone who likes oxygen. Final pro tip: engrave your VIN number on your catalytic converter. That makes it harder to sell and sometimes helps police to track it if someone tries to pawn off your stolen part. Does it solve everything? No. Does it help? Yes, by about 17% according to some insurance stats.